It took 1.5 years for these packages to arrive from Korea. And since I don't really know what's inside anymore, I thought we're gonna do a little unboxing because it's gonna be a surprise for all of us. I see clothes. First, some clothing. Perfect timing. I really wanted this skirt bag. They smell awful. I have a black dress. Got the skirt from a Vietnamese brand. The couple shirt I have with my boyfriend. I have these gloves from the brand I modeled for in Korea. Love these. Got this jacket I wore 2 years ago. Oh! More cosmetic. I have this cleansing balm from Hwarang. I really wanted to try this. And I have some random PR I remember that I got back then. And I was waiting for this one. I got this in Japan, the Tsubaki hair mask. Then we have from Japan my matcha rirakuma shaker. Love this one. The matcha was so good. Oh my god. Come to me. What the hell? Oh my god, all my Korean books and notes. And look at this, it's so detailed. I put so much effort in explaining all the grammar and stuff. Then we have shoes. Oh, I forgot about you. These ones. Very comfortable. I think I only wore them once from Korea. Then I have these ones for my mom. A friend gave this to me because she had 2 of them. And it's my mom's size, so I wish they would fit me. They're so pretty. From Charles & Keith. Then these ones, I got these in Japan and they are beyond comfortable. My friend Angel, she talked me into getting one of these and I love them. They're from Mare Mare. Mere Mere. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, to be honest. Then I have these ones. They're so cute but really uncomfortable, so I don't know what to do with it. And then these shoes. I got them from a boutique in Korea. I thought they were so cool and edgy looking. I don't know how to style them honestly this fall. I really want to wear them. They're a bit higher, but I think they're so cool. And now the bag. Ah, this one. It's actually from Fine Kapoor. I was wondering where she went. Oh, there's more inside actually. Ah! So, there's someone at my door. Where did I want to go? Got another package. I just noticed I forgot to put on lipstick. I do really like this bag. I had this the whole fall season in Korea. And inside we have a headband. Oh, my little Tatum keychain. I love this character. And these Crocs. It's like a charm, a Crocs charm. Moving on to the second one. I think this one's a bit lighter. Oh, I remember. Okay, first we have the little doggy clothes. The old ones from Mango and some of Uyu's as well. Because I'm planning to get a dog myself. So yeah, my boyfriend's sister gave them to me. Look how adorable! Oh my god. And then, ladies and gentlemen, we have Junshigi. My boyfriend gave this to me for Christmas 2 or 3 years ago. And this little thingy as well. It looks a bit sad right now, but I'm gonna wash him. So we have this cardigan, which I love. I think it's adorable, the pastel colors. I love it. Then we have this one, more basic, but very comfortable. I finally have the jacket to my skirt. This is a set I got from, I think it's from Korea, not from Japan. Then I have this purple cardigan, very comfortable as well. I don't know if purple suits me that well anymore, honestly, but... And then my Disneyland Tokyo t-shirt. Miss You Too t-shirt. Then we have this rose my boyfriend bought me in Vietnam. A bit more skincare from Mikohara and skin food. And the last item, the paper theater cube from Spirited Away from Japan. And that's it. It's looking crazy right now. Thank you guys for watching this video. I had fun to unbox all of this. And then see you guys in my next one. Bye! Mwah.